Lab Test. Much more than you can see. Founded in 1971 by the pathologists Geraldo Lastosa and Jose Carlos Vasquez, Lab Test Diagnostica is a benchmark in the in vitro diagnostics (IVD) market. Headquartered in Lagoa Santa, metropolitan region of Belo Horizonte, Minas Gerais, the company is the greatest Brazilian industry in the segment. Respect towards customers, methodological and scientific strictness, appreciation of the human being, and ethical behavior are the values that have governed the company's success. Pioneer in its segment, Lab Test was the first national company to produce in Brazilian clinical chemistry reagents containing enzymes and to launch liquid-stable reagents. Lab Test is proud of its technical and scientific manpower. Qualified professionals dedicate themselves to research and development of new technologies and products, actuate directly with the customers in consulting technical assistance, and provide updated information on themes that are relevant to the diagnostic market. Located in an industrial park with more than 5,000 square meters, Lab Test has a yearly productive capacity that exceeds 1 million kits. In addition, the entire logistics chain is monitored in an integrated manner, assuring the quality of services and products to the customer. Controlled, refrigerated chamber storage structures, use of specific packages for transportation, and monitoring of delivery assure the required compliance with international standards recommended by ISO and GMP. And in order to provide and make available its portfolio to its customers, Lab Test works with a solid dealer network of distributors in each Brazilian state, Latin America, and other countries around the world to allow an agile and specialized service. Lab Test considers quality an integral part of all of its activities, and thus works in compliance with the strictest national and international requirements. The quality management system assures the traceability of the entire productive process and constitutes a dynamic, evolutive system with permanent retrofeed, which provides customers all over the world with the certainty of having high-standard products and services. Recognized by its forefront position and focus on the customer, Lab Test directs efforts in development of competitive products and services. This challenge drives its team of experienced professionals towards ongoing improvement in order to produce solutions that are recognizably innovative for different sizes of clinical laboratories. The calling for service provision has always been a differential. The Technical Maintenance Assistance produces automation solutions for several sizes of laboratories and provides support to dealers and users of its solutions, assuring the efficiency of the analyzer reagent system. Customer service relies on experts that assist the customers with theoretical and hands-on knowledge covering execution of tests, manipulation of reagents, and usage of equipments applied in their laboratorial routines. Using business advisors, Lab Test is able to detect the market trends and offer products and services more and more directed to different types of demand. Aiming to strengthen the internal and external institutional actions, Lab Test created the Projeto Ready, a thought-over initiative to identify and group under a single aegis all the current and future projects in the social, environmental, academic, and scientific fields. The current component projects are Projeto Universidade, directed to the external audience. The project consists in donation of reagents from Lab Test production line for complementation of studies and practice of researchers, teachers, and students enrolled in university courses covering areas related to the company. In addition, it promotes lectures on subjects related to the market, to the products, and to the profession. Seminarios Lab Test, workshops. Directed to the external audience, it is an itinerant event that joins professionals from clinical analysis laboratories in order to share experience on the in vitro diagnostic market trends. Alchemia, directed to the internal and external audience, is based on the corporate university concepts. This means planning of actions covering development and education of employees, customers, and partners, in addition to remote courses directed to lab test customers and dealers. DBEM Lab Test. Directed to internal and external audiences, its objective is to arouse the citizenship and systemize sustainability practices, establishing environmental resource preservation culture, social awareness, and promote welfare and quality of life. Projeto Estudar, directed to an internal audience, encourages educational qualification of its employees and legal dependents through donation of basic training material, offering development perspectives and life improvement to all. Much more than you can see. This is LabTest, a company with a mission to develop recognized, innovating solutions with much more quality, expertise, and pioneerism for you.